Minijob and pension disruption 326. Today is a beautiful, very hot day here in Bilbao, 40 Celsius. I know that you in Brussels are doing something today, but think about the situation you're generating, because these workers in Germany having mini jobs is because they did not have the choice to invest in Bitcoin or MicroStrategy. Should they have had that, they would perhaps not need to be today working with a mini job. Perhaps today your kids can benefit from this idea. If not, they will remind you how good of a parent you are today and forever, especially Christmas and your birthday and so on. But meanwhile, think about this situation of mini jobs throughout Europe. In Spain, there is 50% of the pensioners get 1,500 euros net or 1,000 euros, and then the coffee here in Spain, half a kilo was 3 euros, now is 6 euros in 2 years' time. Therefore, that means that the pensions and the food are going to have a compounded discount. This is very simple. If you add Social Security, how many immigrants, how many people get grants for not working, then we also have the pensions, and then we also have the income tax, we have 21% VAT, so this is like a compounded snowball. So if you add 25% to something, then tomorrow it will be 21% more and 21% more. They tell you this is not really profit or loss, and this is not a compounded inflation, but they are lying. You see, these politicians, they lie. They just don't have any technical background. They're just a cost to the situation. Alexa, please write them off. Now, the situation is that this is going to be continuing, and so the pensions, let's say 2,000 euros will be like 1,000 today in 2 years' time, because this is a compounded tax trap. They are generating, they don't care about that. You see, they are not technically trained to account for this. But anyway, so the solution is to have many jobs for merchant marine. Now, we could really have 2,850 euros net plus Italian Social Security. But in Spain, if you're going to leave the pension and then join the Italian Social Security and then go back and off, it's really a big mess. Why? Because you exist, dear politician. You generate problems wherever you go. It's better you be wiped off. But the question is that could we really help these mini jobs so that whether in Germany, in Italy, in Spain, in Portugal, in Croatia, wherever, 7,000 euros net plus Social Security is a second engineer, 4,800 is a fourth engineer, electrician is 5,000 euros. But this is Italian flag. We could really put the Spanish flag in the table. We could really put any Cyprus, Malta, Madeira, all any world flags. So could European pensioners have this option, or even doctors to go on board a cruise and get $6,000, or even a computer programmer on board any cruise, and so on, nurses. So how much jobs we could generate to Europe? Now, is it possible that you deregulate this so that these pensioners have the right, that you have stolen the pensions, so they have the right to get a job, a mini job, and then perhaps we could benefit and help the ship owners in Europe? Thank you, bye.